Hey everyone, it's Jana Verbakel Leach, realtor in London, Ontario. Thanks so much for tuning in to watch my newest listing video here in the beautiful Warbler Woods. This setting is absolutely stunning. It's tranquil and it's peaceful. You've got this protected green space behind you in a detached condo. It's low maintenance living, one floor. I just know you're gonna love it. So take a look inside, and if you have any questions or you'd like to arrange a private viewing, you can contact me with the information you'll find at the end of this video. Thanks for watching.